Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 13.1, question number 9. Our question is, a 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole cast a shadow of 3 meter 20 centimeter long. So the vertical pole length is 5 meter 60 centimeter and it casts the shadow length is 3 meter and 20 centimeter. So they are talking about a pole and its shadow. Suppose the pole is 5 meter and 60 centimeter. So the unit is given in meter and centimeter together. So we have to convert it into the same unit. Then only it is easy for us to calculate the remaining values. So we all know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter will be definitely 500 centimeter. We know that. Now this is 500, this is 60. When we are adding these two, 560 centimeters. Now it casts the shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter. 3 meter and 20 centimeter is your question. 3 meter means definitely that is 300 centimeter. So 300 plus 20 will be 320 centimeter. So we need to calculate in the same unit. That's why we have calculated in centimeter. Find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by the another pole. The length of the pole is 10 meter long, 10 meter and 50 centimeter high. If the pole is 10 meter and 50 centimeter high, what will be the length of the shadow they are asking? That is our first problem here. Now this is our first problem. Now when the vertical pole is height, then the shadow also will be lengthy. So this is a direct variation. So we can say that directly proportional, because when the vertical pole is short, the shadow also will be short. When it is long, the shadow also will be long. Both are increasing at the same time. We can say that they are directly proportional. So directly proportional, I have told you how to do. I am just telling you again. Take the variable first, which is equal to the number given along with the x, that is 320, multiple by, here this also let us convert it into centimeter. 10 meter means, so 10 meter will be 1000 centimeter. So 1000 plus 50 will give you 1050 centimeters. Now since it is a directly proportional value, when the filled the table should be taken as a fractional number, that is 560 by 1050. Since it is a direct proportional problem, this number should be taken reciprocally. That means 1050 should be taken in the numerator, 560 should be taken in the denominator. Now we have to cancel as it is. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Then we can cancel these two by two tables. Let us calculate here, then finally you can write the answer in your paper. Just use the rough column always to complete the calculation. So 320 into 105 by 56 we are having. So we are going to cancel by two table first. So this is 2 2s are 4, balance 1 8. Again this one 16 2s are 32. This 0 we can take it. Again by two table. This is 1 4 14 times. This is 8 0. Again by two table. 7s are, this is 40 times, and 7 and this one 105 we can calculate, because 1 7s are 7. In this 10 we have 1 times 7, remaining 3 will be written here, 35 5s are. So what we are getting finally, 40 multiple by 15 we are getting, 15 4s are 60. Here one more 0 is there. So we can say that 600 centimeter. 600 centimeter is nothing but 6 meter we can say that. So x is equal to 6 meter is your correct answer. So let's go on to the second subdivision of the 9th question. Our question is, the height of the pole which casts the shadow of 5 meter long. We need to find the height of the pole. So this one is x, which casts the shadow of 5 meter long. The shadow length is 5 meter long. The same question. So the first line should be taken as it is. That is 5 meter 60 centimeter high pole is casting the shadow of 3 meter 20 centimeter. Then what is the shadow length? If the shadow length is 5 meter, what is the length of the vertical pole is our question. Now again the same thing. This is also direct variation. Direct variation we can written as dv. X is equal to, so our ambition to get the x value only. Now since it is a direct variation, first let us take the number which is along with the x first, that is 560, and this is multiple by, since it is a direct variation, this number should be taken reciprocally. Before that, this is given in centimeter, this is given in meter. So 5 meter will be equal to 500 centimeter. Now 320 and 500 we are getting in the box. So that is a divisional number. Since it's a direct variation, take it reciprocally. So 500 will be taken to the numerator, 320 will be taken to the denominator. Now we can cancel it. 0 and 0 we can cancel. Let us complete the problem in rough column. Now 56 into 500 by 32 we are getting. Cancel it by 2 table. 2 16s are 32. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1 828 times. Again by 2 table. 8s are. This is 1 4. 14s are. Again by 2 table. 4s are. 7s are. We can write it. Now this 4 and this 1 500 we can cancel it. This is 1 4s are 4. In 500, 1 time 4 is available, 1 4s are 4. Balance 1, this will become 10. 2 4s are 8. Balance 2, 5 4s are 20. So 125 we are getting. Now 7 into 125 is our value. Now multiple, 7 5s are 35. Balance 3. 14 plus 3, 17. Balance 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is a centimeter. Now 875 centimeter can be written as 800 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. Like this we can split it. Why are splitting means 800 centimeter is nothing but 8 meters. Because 8 meter only will be written as 800. So this is 8 meter and 75 centimeter. That should be the length of the vertical pole which will cast the shadow of 500 centimeter. That's all students. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.